Hi, this is Umar Slim. Today I have worked on the connection step of create channel dialog. So let me show what are the things that I have done today. Mm, On the connection step, when the user clicks on this test button and then Shopify returns us some data that we can use to store on the backend. So previously we were not storing any data that was being received from the Shopify like shop ID, default currency, these things. So what I have done is that when the user clicks on this, I have made changes to the backend and updated the table, added the columns for default currency and the other stuff that are being received from the Shopify, and I have stored them in the database. So let me click on this test button. First of all, I have to put here a valid domain and access token. So let's put it here, and then if I click on the test button, see, these are the data that I have stored in the database and I have shown it here: external ID, shop name, default currency, and these things. This data is now coming from our local database. The other thing that I have done here is that if the user has not made any changes to either of these fields, then this test again button will be disabled until the user made any changes to any of this input. So if the user made any changes to this, then this button will be enabled and then it clicks on. Obviously the domain is not valid, the test is failed. Now if I click on test, it is successfully connected. This is the thing that I have done in the connection step, and now I am creating a new channel. Same thing I have done for the update channel also. So if the user updates any channel, then this data will be received from the backend and I have displayed that data here. On the collection step, so there was some bug here. Is what was the bug is that, let me show it. So if I click on edit, this is not done. The thing is that if the user clicks on edit and it redirects the user to the collection step, then there was no data being displayed to the user. The list was empty. So I have fixed that issue. So let me first of all find a channel that navigates the user to the collection step. Edit now. uh, this one. This is also not going to the third step. Not this one. This is so currently there is not any channel that is navigating the user to this collection step. So currently I cannot show it here in the demo. So the thing that I have done here is that if the user clicks on the edit button and he is navigated to the collection step, this list was being displayed as empty. So I have fixed that issue now. It is correctly displaying the list of the collections. I have also updated the get single channel API. So if the user clicks on this edit, see, this step is going to the collection step. Previously, this list was being displayed as empty. Now All the collections are being properly fetched from the database and displayed here. So I have fixed that issue. Also, I have made some changes like in the get single channel API. I have added these data Shopify connection status and these external ID shop name. I have included this data from the backend to send in the response and displayed it here.